These Brussels sprouts are savory with a touch of heat and sweetness. They are so delicious, we just can't get enough. I'm using 1.5 pounds of Brussels in this recipe. After cleaning, I like to dry them thoroughly. Cutting them in half, removing the bottom portion, and taking off any leaves that are brownish. They go into a bowl with neutral oil and salt and then into the oven. While they cook, I'll make the miso glaze. The glaze includes maple syrup, white miso paste, available in most grocery stores these days, red pepper flakes, optional but highly recommended, and lemon juice. This sauce really elevates the flavor of the Brussels sprouts. Someone told me that even people who don't like Brussels would like these Brussels. I take the Brussels out when they have softened and start to become golden. I like to mix the Brussels and the sauce in a bowl. Be sure that each piece is covered in the sauce. And back into the oven they go. They only need about 8 to 10 more minutes in the oven. However, if you like your Brussels very crispy, then cook a few minutes longer. I like to finish the Brussels with additional red pepper flakes. Another squeeze of lemon would be nice as well. Check out my channel for more delicious recipes.